Hello and welcome to HTML5 course. This is the third video of our HTML5 course. In the previous two videos, we had an introduction to HTML5 and then we discussed the main tags and the syntax of HTML5. So if you have missed it, just watch our second video and first video. I have already saved the file as an index.html with an HTML extension .html that I have told you and the previous video, but I will tell you again. Just save it. Um, save as save it on desktop or whatever folder you want. I will save it on desktop. Now the name is index for this file that I have given. I will put the .html extension. Okay, this is important. If you don't write this extension, the browser will not understand that it is an HTML file. Save it. Okay, I've already saved it, so it was just for you. Now I will write the main tag that we write in every code I have told you in the previous video. Then the head tag, we have discussed this in our previous video. Now the title tag, title. Opening and closing tag for every tag is important, except some of tags that I will tell you in upcoming video. Only 2 or 3 tags don't need a closing tag, uh, but except those tags, you have to write a closing and opening tag for every tag. Okay, page title, it will appear on the tab. Okay, now whatever information you want to appear for user, you have to write inside the body tag. All the information should be right inside the body tag for users. Now HTML has paragraphs and headings tags. Like how do we write paragraphs in HTML5 code uh, for a website, or maybe how do we write a heading for a website? Okay, that we can do it with HTML, but HTML has specific tags for those. The first one is heading. Okay, HTML has 6 level of headings from H1 to H6. I will write the opening and closing tag. Uh, okay, this is the first heading. I will give it a name, heading 1. This is the first level of HTML heading. It has 6 levels. After that, we have H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Uh, and why do we have 6 headings, 6 levels? It is because the size of each one is bigger as compared to H2, then H2 is bigger as compared to H3, H3 is bigger, and H4, H5, H6 is the smallest one. So you can write it for the specific size you want, the heading you want in a bigger size. If you want the heading, then you can write H1, and the heading if you want in a less bigger size, then H2, H3, H4, H5. Okay, I will just save it, Control plus S. Then I will go to the our code, that is the index.html. Here you can see it, H heading 1. Okay, and the page title part is here. Okay, you can see the page title and the title tag here. Okay, I will show you this part. Okay, page title, you can see it here. Now we will see the other levels too. H2. Okay, this is H2. Now I will write H3, the third level, heading 3. I will give this information, heading 2. Save it, and now come to the browser. Before you save new course, just refresh the browser, so the browser will be updated. Now can you see it? The heading 1 is bigger, then heading 2 is less bigger as compared to heading 1. Now heading 3 is less bigger as compared to 1 and 2. These are the 3 levels. Now let's see the other 4 levels too. Okay, H4. 5, H6. Okay, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Okay, save it, come to browser, refresh it. Now can you see it, the level, the from 1 to 6, this is the heading levels of HTML. We have 6 levels. Okay, now let's see the paragraph tag. Okay, I will delete all of these, not just like wait a minute, I will show first paragraph, then we will delete these. Okay, for the paragraph we write the p tag. Okay, p tag is for paragraph tag. Okay, it has only one level, it doesn't have 6 levels or two three level, just like a heading. Okay, i've I've a text sample, I will copy it, control plus c, because I cannot write tags, text and all. Okay, this is the copy text. Okay, I will copy the same here. Okay, now save it. Okay, refresh the browser. Now can you see it? It has only one level. That is paragraph, that is heading. So first you have to put a paragraph for the information, then you can write information, other details inside the paragraph tag. Okay, now let's come to our code and make it look a little bit simple. I will delete the other headings and we'll leave only 2 3. Okay, the first heading is very bigger, so I will use a normal one. Okay, I will start from 2, heading 2, I will change it to heading 3, and this also to heading 3. Save it. Now you can see it, the one heading 1 was bigger for me, so I changed it. Okay, now can you see it? This is why it has different level of headings. If you want the first one, the big heading, the main heading, uh, so be it with h2, and then if you want the other headings with this just like subheadings, then you can put it inside the h3 heading. Okay, so this is the for the third video, uh, and for the upcoming video we'll discuss more topics. And before closing the browser, closing YouTube, just subscribe our channel of One Robotic Team and press the bell icon so you won't miss any update, and wait for our next video in which we will discuss more HTML topics. And please practice these things so you will understand better. If you don't practice, you will not learn. Thank you so much.